Okay, let's also listen in to what market experts are expecting from the big one. That's the Fed meeting tonight.
We do expect, though, that the Fed will resume its hiking cycle from June, and we do actually currently forecast 3 hikes for the rest of the year, so June, September, December. There have been concerns on growth, and that probably keeps the Fed on hold on the current meeting.
I think markets would certainly be very surprised if they did decide to raise rates today. So I think it feels likely that they won't. To be honest, we're expecting much like the market now in terms of if you look at Fed funds futures. Market's now expecting mid-year rate rise, and that's more or less where we would expect to. In terms of the tone of Chair Yellen's statement afterwards, I wouldn't want to second guess that too much, but certainly the economy isn't giving her or them the sort of leeway, in our view, to be too dovish in that speech, and I think that's worth bearing in mind.
Really not expecting them to do a whole lot, and that's probably a good thing at this point. So certainly it's going to depend a whole lot on the press conference, what kind of tone you get, what kind of indication we get in terms of when the next interest rate hike is going to be. Because really all we've done is giving ourselves a bit of a breather, perhaps 3 months if we think the next hike is probably going to be in June. So a little more time for the markets to get used to what is still a fundamentally hiking federal interest rate path.
In the United States, as we had a strong dollar policy, the economy is quite weak and the debt structure is very weak. So going into election, I would actually expect that you're going to see some more easing measurements fiscally and monetary in the United States, and that's going to bring most likely the US dollar down a bit.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow, and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.